It is reported that 1 in every 5 Kenyan youth has no job compared to Uganda and Tanzania, where about 1 in every 20 are jobless. This makes Kenya one of East Africa's biggest economy, the country with the largest number of unemployed youth in the region. Initiatives such as Blaze, a youth empowerment program championed by Safaricom and Standard Group, seeks to transform the lives of young Kenyans and in the long term change the narrative. Currently winding up its first phase and set to launch its second phase in February of next year, Blaze Be Your Own Boss looks to reward one youth with 8 million shillings, 5 million of which will be in form of business support from Safaricom and 3 million in cash.
The narrative for the youth can no longer be about entertainment, about lack of opportunity. This initiative seeks to empower.
Among the challenges young rising entrepreneurs face are lack of proper support and financing to develop the skills, passion and talents into businesses. The Be Your Own Boss hourly reality show will debut 6th February of 2017 on KTN and run for 8 straight weeks. 12 participants will face a panel of judges who will evaluate their ideas on weekly challenges including social skills.
Provides us with an opportunity to reach a much wider audience on this Blaze platform and get a lot more youth engaged.
And the objective of the TV show is actually one, to amplify the stories of these young Blazers, because we are engaging with them, but we need the rest of the country to see what is actually happening in this young generation.
The Blaze initiative has been active for 7 months now, has managed to acquire 890,000 subscribers online, reaching over 40,000 young Kenyans countrywide. Ashley Mazuri, KTN News.